York leads it 4-2 as we roll into the fourth inning. Bubba Alleyne takes for ball one outside. Christopher James Alleyne, it's his full name, goes by Bubba. Popped up to the right side and into the seats, about halfway up, just behind the Revolution dugout. I like that name, Bubba. It's a very endearing name. Sounds like a good guy. 1-1. Not called there by Dustin Fields. It did miss low. So 2-1 the count. Miller looking for a good inning here after giving up 3 runs in the third. Well, all of York's runs have come on the long ball. You go back to the first inning, a hanging changeup to the hitter, Jalen Miller. The 2-2 runs high. That was hit out of the ballpark. Then a solo blast by Williams and a 2-run shot by Simonite, both on center cut fastballs. Payoff pitch, swung on and missed. Miller starts off the fourth with a K. Number 4 on the evening, and that's good for out number 6 on the night. I was on the other side of my book. As I said, it was number 4. My head said, nope, he definitely has more than that. Alleyne 0 for 2 with a couple of strikeouts now. A chance for Lewis. First pitch, fouled back. Lewis, who went 0 for 3 last night with a walk, starts tonight 0 for 1, a fly out to left field. It was in between Recusin and Dexter, who went out to try and field it, but Recusin very late called Dexter off of it to make the catch. Swing and a miss. Ball and 2 strikes the count. Lewis, a 4th-round draft pick by the LA Dodgers back in 2019 out of UC Irvine, the Anteaters. Spent 5 years in the Dodgers system from 2019 through 2024, apart from the 2020 season. And there's a called third strike at the knees. Back to the fastball there, strikeout number 7 for Jalen Miller. Well, back to the top of the order now for Miller as he'll face his counterpart, Jalen Miller. The man at the dish homered in the first and struck out in the second. First pitch in off the fist and fouled back. Back-to-back innings where the right-hander has started the inning off with 2 strikeouts, trying to get that elusive third out that was incredibly hard to come by last inning. This one looped back and foul. Midseason All-Star this season for the Revolution second baseman, batting .309 with 16 homers and 70 RBIs. A good cut there. And a fastball up and in. Miller was a 3rd-round pick all the way back in 2015 by the San Francisco Giants organization. Reached Double-A Richmond and also played a couple of years in the Braves system at Double-A Mississippi. And he goes down swinging as Jalen Miller strikes out the side here in the 4th. Makes easy work